Good morning, friends. Welcome back to my channel Organic Gardening Mantra. Friends, today we are seeing a plant that has been listed by NASA as top 10 oxygen plants which can be grown indoors. This plant can be grown in bright indirect sunlight. So today we will see the care and propagation and fertilizer, water requirement, where it can be grown. The Chinese evergreen or Aglaonema should be grown in a place where there is bright indirect sunlight. It cannot survive direct sunlight. If you keep it in direct sunlight, it has brown tips on its leaves and the leaves start burning. So it has to be kept indoors. There are many variants available in the market of Aglaonema, and it is very easy to grow plant. The only aspect that you have to take care is the soil. You should give it a rich potting mix. Some places you get ready potting mix, but if you are making it ready, then take equal quantities of garden soil, coco peat and vermicompost and make a well drained soil mix. Here in India, we make soil mix. We don't buy soil. Direct soil mix means most of us, we make our own soil. So that's the soil aspect, and grow it in a medium sized pot so that there are baby plants coming around the mother plant, which you can separate and grow it into a new plant, or allow it to continue in the same pot so that the pot looks bushy. I have three variants. This is lipstick Aglaonema with pink and green leaves, and this is Osaka white and green leaves, and another one that I have is Silver Queen. Nice silver tinge in long leaves. Of the three variants, Aglaonema Silver Queen is the rough one which propagates very easily and multiplies very easily. This Silver Queen is little bit rough plant. Lipstick Aglaonema is delicate plant. It needs to be treated little bit delicately, and Osaka white is medium. So Silver Queen propagates very fast, multiplies very fast, and little bit tolerant to heat, sunlight, water. But Osaka white is medium, not very slow grower, it's a medium grower. Lipstick Aglaonema, very slow grower. Watering aspect, if you want to kill your Aglaonema, you water it every day. If you water it every day, it will die of root rot. So be very careful while watering. Water it only when the upper layer of soil is dry to touch. When you water it thoroughly. You can also mist your Aglaonema. It is very good idea to mist it, and while misting you can add neem oil and soap solution. In 1 liter add 1 teaspoon of neem oil and 1 teaspoon of soap solution, because Aglaonema is very much prone to mealybug attack. So if you give neem oil spray every month, so this plant will not get mealybug attack. Even in the soil you spray the neem oil solution, because sometimes mealybugs not only attack the plant, they start living in the soil also. They start eating the roots. So for healthy plant, give neem oil spray every month to the plant and also in the soil. It grows in bright indirect sunlight. It cannot tolerate direct sunlight. Only in bright indirect sunlight it can survive and grow nice foliage. Friends, propagation is through root division, and watering, water only when the upper layer of the soil is dry to touch. It doesn't require much fertilization. I give it dry tea leaves fertilizer, and also you can fertilize it with vermicompost twice in a year, in the month of February and in the month of September. Okay friends, bring home beautiful aglaonema and grow easy to grow plant and easy to propagate plant. Thank you friends for watching my video. If you like the content of this video, please do like, share and subscribe my channel Organic Gardening Mantra.